Distributive property. So remember, distributive property, the word distribute means kind of to hand out. So in distributive property, it's the multiplying. It's where you can draw your arrow, your rainbow method. So right here, I don't even see any parentheses. So there's definitely no distributive property going on in that one. Let's look at this. We have ACX. The X would have to be being distributive, but that's not what's happening. On this one, let's take a look. We can do, when a number is right outside, or a letter right outside the parentheses, that's usually an indication that you have distributive. And that means we have to take this number or letter on the outside and multiply. So X times Y gives us XY. And then we have to do X times T, and that gives us XT. So this would be an example of distributive property. Now this one looks a little weird because it's got the parentheses on the right hand side, but it's still, when you have something right outside the parentheses, that means distributive. So we would do A times B and A times C. So this one works as well. Ooh, we have a number outside the parentheses, so let's see, 5 times X. Ooh, they put the times symbol, but it still shows 5 times X. It also shows that we're doing 5 times 2, which is this is shown here. So that is also distributive property. Right here should be a key sign. We have a number outside the parentheses, so 13 times A and 13 times B. This is also distributive property. So the secret here is when your number's usually outside the parenthesis, you're going to have distributive property.